In the previous lecture, what we did was we built our first query, and as I said, it was a very basic query. It returned all the data, and the problem with that, of course, is we're trying to build an A honor roll list here, and this is not giving us that A honor roll list. So what we're going to do now is we're going to massage the data. So we have currently select all data, and now we're going to jump into our query. So we're still in the A honor roll sheet. We're in our query formula. And after the select call, we're now going to type another keyword that I had mentioned before called where. And we're going to type where. And what we want to set with where is we want to set a condition where only when a student fulfills that condition are they going to be populated in this query. And the condition we want to look at is we want to look at the grade averages data here. We want to look in column B, and we want to only return students who have values of A. So if we come back over here and we go into our query, we're going to do space where B equals, and then we're going to do single quotes here because we're looking for a string that matches what's between these single quotes. This is where queries can get really challenging because you've got the double quotes that are encapsulating your entire query, but you also now are using single quotes when you're trying to reference the value A, okay, just the string of the letter A. So what we're saying here in the query is look at this data and then select any part of that data where what's in column B equals the value of capital A. And so if I hit enter now, it only returns Alan, Amy, Cindy, and Tony, who are my 4 A students. So this is how we use the where qualifier. In the next lecture, I'm going to do something to our original data source that's going to make it to where I need to modify this select clause here so that we are only returning pertinent data to this honor roll sheet. So I'll see you there.